Okay, as we were discussing about the harmful microorganism or microorganism as a whole, in which we discussed about the diseases caused by, है ना? We were discussing about harmful microorganisms, in which we discussed the microorganism that causes diseases in case of the human beings, in case of in matlab insects they are causing, animals, plants, like all these things. Now we discuss the diseases caused by in case of the animals, है ना? As Bani, you asked if the diseases caused by the I'm making a claim. Have a look. In animals, we discussed about this thing. Right, three things we discussed in animals: the causative organism, infected animal, and the disease. Causative organism, infected animal, and okay, in case of the animals, we will divide it this. Mostly the two types of the diseases are there in case of animals. One is like the bacteria first, and another one is the virus. Okay, number one, bacteria, and number two, that is the virus. और जो होते हैं किसको infected animals, one is cattle and the other one is poultry birds. In the same way, when we are talking about the virus disease, this is also in case of the cattle and poultry birds. अब जो बैक्टीरिया डिजीज कॉज करता है, इन्फेक्टेड रहता है कैटल को, दैट इज द एंथ्रेक्स. एंथ्रेक्स, राइट डाउन, एंथ्रेक्स, कॉलरा. इन केस ऑफ द, या एंथ्रेक्स टीबी कर लो, कॉलरा दूसरे में करो, पोल्ट्री बर्ड्स में कॉलरा करो. In case of the poultry birds, TB, cholera, and diarrhea. TB, cholera, and diarrhea. Okay. Now, in case of the cattle, foot and mouth disease, foot and mouth disease, and cowpox. Cowpox. And with the help of like virus, well, they will infect the poultry birds. Then the disease is the bird flu. Smallpox. Visible? Okay, this is in case of the animal. Right, Pratik? Now we will discuss in case of the plants, the diseases that are caused in case of the plants. Bani, is it clear, Pratik? Right. Now the next one we will write in case of plant, and the tabular on the table is given in your book also. We will do that only. Three diseases are given in your book. In case of the plant, plants are also suffered with the disease due to the microorganism. Write down. In plants, इसका टेबल है प्लांट डिजीज, माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म. Right? First लिखो plant disease, microorganism, mode of transmission, how they are spreading. All of you know in case of the plants, number of the diseases occur due to the air. As we are saying in animals, the diseases are caused by the air, water, and etc. In the same case, plants are also suffered. Write down first disease, citrus canker. Citrus canker. Okay, this is the disease that is caused by the bacteria, and the mode of transmission is air. Okay. Second is dust of wheat. Right? This is disease fungi. Fungus disease है. Microorganism is fungi. It is due to the air and to seeds. And the third is yellow mosaic of भिंडी, जिसको हम साइंटिफिक नेम होता है ओकरा. Okra. Okay, we used to say okra. That is through the virus. This is the viral disease, and the mode of transmission is insect. These three diseases are given in your book, so we will discuss only these three things, three diseases that is given in our book. Okay? Is it clear? Right? Now, as we discussed about the number of the diseases caused by the different microorganisms and all these things, the second point, first point we discussed the microorganisms causes disease, in which we discussed about the animals, human beings, plants. Now, the second point, microorganisms causes food poisoning. Right on the second point. Harmful microorganism में first point we discussed, that is causes diseases. Second लिखो microorganism causes food poisoning. All of you know with the familiar with this term, that is food poisoning. ठीक है, फूड पॉइजनिंग व्हाट डज इट मीन? का मतलब क्या है? जो टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस व्हेन द माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म act on the food particles, they release some kind of the toxic substances which are poisonous and which is not fit for human health, then it is called the food poisoning. So write down the definition: the toxic substance produced by microorganism, the toxic substances produced by the microorganism ठीक है जी, toxic substances produced by the microorganism makes the food poisonous, makes the food poisonous and causes serious illness, and causes serious illness. When the food poisoning occurs now, so the symptoms that we will observe might be when we will eat. Suppose agar food uncovered hai, anything act on upon it, and when we will eat that food, sometimes the foul smell comes coming from that. It might be the foul smell is there, but still we eat it, है ना? So at that time they release the toxic substances, and then when we will eat these food particles, या food things, so what happens? Food poisoning will occur. What are the symptoms of the food poisoning? Vomiting, stomachache, you can say headache, ठीक है, dizziness, all these are the symptoms of the food poisoning. ठीक है जी. अब food poisoning करता कौन कौन है? मतलब how the food poisoning occurs in human body. Like होती कैसे, who is responsible for these things. One is called bacteria and second is called fungi. और इसमें भी जो मेन कॉजेटिव है that is one is the bacteria and second is the fungi. अब जो बैक्टीरिया कॉज करते हैं फूड पॉइजनिंग, जो डिजीजेस हैं, इसमें आप देखो स्टेफिलोकोकाई बैक्टीरिया, स्टेफिलोकोकाई, right, salmonella, these are the bacteria that will cause the food poisoning in our body. मतलब they will make the food toxic when they are releasing the substances, the toxic substances, when we will keep the food uncovered or some the in case of the rainy season. Okay, so if we are keeping the food or 2 or 3 days uncovered as it is, then they releases microorganism act on the food and releases the toxic substances which causes food poisoning. Okay, write down in this case of the fungi aspergillus and penicillin. Okay, it's not in detail, you just write down the name of all these: Staphylococci bacteria, Salmonella, Aspergillus, Penicillium. ठीक है? अब now when the food poisoning occur, है ना? Food poisoning means when the food becomes harmful or it causes serious illness. So how we can prevent the food? How we can cure ourselves? What are the different ways by which we can keep ourselves away from the diseases या free from the disease? What are the different ways? ठीक है, that is called food preservation. हमारा टॉपिक जो था harmful microorganisms and microorganisms as a whole, in which we discussed the diseases caused by the microorganism and second, microorganisms causes food poisoning. Now the next topic is how we can cure ourselves from the diseases. ठीक है? In that case, we will write down food preservation. Now, if the microorganism act on our food and become it toxic and not fit for eating, then how we can prevent it? Write down food preservation. Next topic है ये. Okay, food preservation. As the word indicates, that food preserve करना, बचाना. ठीक है, food preserve from the to become a toxic and all that. How we can do it? Write down the definition. Yeah, first of all we can see what are the conditions that helps to preserve the food. ठीक है, पहले definition लिख लो. Food preservation, write down the process by which spoilage of food is prevented. The process by which spoilage of food is prevented. Spoilage of food is prevented. ठीक है जी, ऐसा प्रोसेस जिससे spoilage of food जो है that can be prevented using chemical and physical methods. मतलब what are the different ways by which we can preserve the food? By adding some substances in it, by keeping the food away or we are मतलब in the refrigerator. What are the conditions? By using chemical and physical. Okay, by using chemical and physical method is called food preservation. अब now as I am saying, what are the basic conditions? मतलब without या ये कह लो कि when the food जो है it becomes spoiled, वो तो हमने कर लिया. How we can prevent या how food preservation occur naturally. ठीक है, write down microorganism. इसको क्वेश्चन की फॉर्म में लिख लो. microorganism cannot act, मतलब जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है कैन नॉट ग्रो और मल्टीप्लाई, कैन नॉट ग्रो और मल्टीप्लाई, ये ग्रो और मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करते। कौन सी कंडीशंस हैं? ठीक है, यू कैन से द कंडीशंस। ठीक है, कौन सी कंडीशन है? नंबर 1 दैट इज द कंडीशंस दैट राइट मींस मॉइस्चर ना हो। व्हेन देयर इज नो मॉइस्चर ग्रोथ ऑफ माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म जो वो इनहिबिट हो जाए। सो कंडीशंस आर ड्राई। ऑल ऑफ यू आर फेमिलियर विद दिस वर्ड कि गीली चीजों को संभालने के लिए हमें डिफरेंट मेथड्स एंड व्हेन द ड्राई सब्सटेंसेस वी कैन स्टोर। ठीक है, कंडीशंस आर ड्राई। फर्स्ट कंडीशन व्हेन द माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म कैन नॉट एक्ट। सेकंड इज टेंपरेचर इज वेरी लो, टेम्परेचर इज वेरी लो। देखो जब बहुत कम टेम्परेचर है, जैसे रेफ्रिजरेटर में वी कैन स्टोर द फ्रूट्स एंड ऑल दैट फॉर द लॉन्ग टाइम, so when the temperature is very low. And the third one, when the temperature is very high. At a very high temperature or a low temperature, microorganism cannot grow or multiply. Three conditions. ठीक है, when the microorganism cannot grow or multiply, number 1 that is conditions are dry, means where we are storing our food it should be dry. ठीक है, टेम्परेचर इज वेरी लो, दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन स्टोर द फ्रूट्स एंड द वेजिटेबल्स जो सीजन में नहीं भी होती हैं, अनसीजन हम जो करते हैं सीजनल फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स, बट नाउ दीज डेज वी आर गेटिंग ऑल दीज फ्रूट्स एंड द वेजिटेबल्स, ठीक है, विदाउट सीजन, बिकॉज वी आर स्टोरिंग इट एट अ वेरी लो टेम्परेचर। और थर्ड वन व्हेन द टेम्परेचर इज वेरी हाई। ठीक है, अब what are the different ways, methods are there to preserve the food? What are the different methods to preserve the food? Number 1, chemical method. यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट है? Any doubt to anyone? Any doubt to anyone? The topics that we covered, आज तक clear? Okay, okay अवनी, ओके बानी, मतलब नो डाउट, करें आगे। राइट, फर्स्ट कंडीशन, फर्स्ट फूड प्रिजर्वेशन मेथड इज केमिकल मेथड। वर्ड इटसेल्फ टेल्स केमिकल मेथड, खुद ही बता रहा है कि उसमें केमिकल्स ऐड करते हैं, है ना। केमिकल मेथड मींस ऑल ऑफ यू हैड सीन सम टाइम ऑन द कैंड फूड बॉटल्स और द कहीं पे भी जार्स में some chemicals are adding to preserve the food for the long time. ठीक है, as yesterday I was seeing some of the videos कि we can preserve the lemon, हम नींबू को how we can preserve, we can wrap the lemon in the tissue paper and then in a airtight container and keep it in a refrigerator, so we can save the lemon for one or the 2 months. ठीक है, this is a method. Other way, we can put the lemon in a jar and then add water, then airtight container and keep it in a fridge, save कर सकते हैं. Third method to save the lemon, what was that? Oil कर दो, ठीक है, oil the lemons, ठीक है, when we are oiling the naturally उसका जो moisture है it will not evaporate, so that keeps the lemon safe. So the different ways to preserve the food particles, food articles. Number 1, chemical method, when we are adding some chemicals to preserve the food. Okay, but we will write in this chemical method when we are preserving the food by using some chemicals, that is called the chemical method. जिसके बीच में जो normally है citric acid, ठीक है, citric acid हम बहुत ज्यादा यूज करते हैं। फिर हम कह सकते हैं सोडियम बेंजोएट, दूसरा केमिकल नेम सोडियम बेंजोएट, ठीक है, this chemical we can use. Another we can say sodium bisulfate, sodium bisulfate. These are the names of the chemicals that we are using to preserve the food. Is it clear bete? ठीक है, then the second is preservation by salt. preservation by common salt. Common salt मतलब जो नमक हम घर में यूज करते हैं. How we can preserve. All of you are familiar when the mama used to make pickles, है ना? तो pickles में बहुत सारा oil डाला जाता है. Oil is a one of the way to prevent. क्योंकि oil क्या करेगा? To cut off the air supply, है ना? तो moisture नहीं होगा. When the moisture is not there, we can preserve the food particles. क्योंकि what are the conditions that we discuss? कि conditions dry होंगे. अगर conditions dry है, microorganism do not act. ठीक है? ऑयल डालने का पर्पस, कॉमन सॉल्ट हर किसी का अलग अलग है. जैसे पिकल्स में हम ऑयल डालते हैं, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ एडिंग ऑयल? ऑयल जो है दैट विल मतलब कॉन्टैक्ट जो है टू कट ऑफ द एयर सप्लाई, मींस द मॉइस्चर विल नॉट कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद द फूड पार्टिकल. ठीक है, ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द ऑयल. सो दैट मींस द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म डू नॉट एक्ट ऑन इट. ठीक है. नाउ प्रिजर्वेशन बाय कॉमन सॉल्ट. व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ द कॉमन सॉल्ट? व्हाई वी आर एडिंग कॉमन सॉल्ट? हम ऐड क्यों कर रहे हैं? कॉमन सॉल्ट करता क्या है? ठीक है. व्हाट इज द मेन रीजन? नो डाउट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू हर्ड अबाउट द कॉमन सॉल्ट इज यूज्ड टू प्रिजर्व द फिश. फॉर चिकन वी kept it on the fishes and उसको अच्छी तरह से रब करके we can store the fishes for the time. But why? How? ठीक है. all of you had seen, I think मतलब most of you had seen कि sometime you can say bitter gourds होते हैं जो करेले, है ना? we used to put the salt on it and keep it for some time, है ना? तो observe कि वहां पे in plate or in contain bowl where we will keep that one, तो वहां पे पानी पानी हो जाता. Sometimes due to the time of the making the pakoras also we keep the potatoes and the onions and other vegetables and pour some salt on it. Keep it for some time. So you observe in plate or a bowl, water content is there. So what is the main function of this common salt? It draws out the common salt, draws out water from food. जब इसने पानी बाहर निकाल दिया, it draws out the water from the food. ठीक है. जब ये पानी बाहर निकल गया इसमें से, it prevents the microbial growth and reproduction. ठीक है जी. Then it prevents the growth of, prevent the microbial, prevent the growth of microbial, prevents the growth of microbes. ठीक है बेटा. It helps to prevent the growth of the microbes because it draws out the water. Is this point clear? ठीक है. अब now as chemical salt, another way through which we can preserve food by adding sugar. By adding sugar. Third point लिखती हूँ. Preservation by sugar. ठीक है. Third point. Preservation by sugar. How the sugar will act? As I told you, with the common salt, it draws out the water from the food, which helps to prevent the growth of the microorganism. In the same way, when we are adding the sugar, what it will do? ये क्या करेगा? It reduces the same thing. It reduces the moisture content. It reduces the moisture content. ये जो पानी का जो मॉइस्चर है उसको रिड्यूस करता है. इट रिड्यूसेस द मॉइस्चर कंटेंट एंड कीप द फूड सेफ. इज इट क्लियर बेटे? इट रिड्यूसेस द मॉइस्चर कंटेंट व्हिच इनहिबिट्स द ग्रोथ ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, व्हिच इनहिबिट या reduces the growth of microorganisms. Clear with the 3 points? बिल्कुल absolutely clear. Any doubts? करें 4th point. Then we can say हमने नमक डाल दिया, sugar, ठीक है, chemicals, ठीक है, as I discussed earlier, oil. So the 4th method is to prevent the food by adding oil and vinegar. Preservation by oil and vinegar. ठीक है, मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि घरों में मोस्टली अब आज भी इवन अचार का डिब्बा खोल के देखोगे तो ऑयल इज ओवर देयर. ठीक है, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ दैट ऑयल? कट ऑफ द एयर सप्लाई सो दैट द मॉइस्चर विल नॉट कम इन द फूड पार्टिकल्स एंड वी कैन सेव इट. So write down. कैसे प्रिवेंट करते हैं ये मैंने अभी बताया आपको. So what we will write down? It reduces the contact of the food with air. We can write down oil and vinegar reduces the cut off the reduces the contact of air with food. मतलब ये प्रिवेंट करती है with food so that the food will not come in contact with the moisture, and when moisture is not there we can preserve the food. यही हमने सबसे पहले करा कि when the conditions are dry means when the moisture is not there we can prevent the food. Any doubt with you? Any doubt? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लिखिए by cooling. How we can cooling or freezing कर लो. By cooling or freezing how it can prevent? The first chapter we already discussed कि when we will keep the food at the very lowest temperature food can be preserved. So how we can save our foods like fruits, vegetables, meat, sometimes the cooked food. ठीक है, these are kept at a very low temperature in the refrigerator. ठीक है ना, because freezers में क्या होता है, deep freezers में they prevent the spoilage. ठीक है, उसमें you can write down low temperature reduces the growth of the microorganism, or we can say microorganism will not grow or multiply at a very low temperature. So by keeping the food item at a very low temperature in the deep refrigerators we can store for some time. ठीक है, any doubts?